Hi, today we are going to learn how you can set up a product review gallery on your Shopify store using AiTrillion. To set up a product review gallery, the process is really simple. You need to go to product reviews, review widgets, product review gallery. You can choose the site review gallery if you were doing that. The process is almost the same. So for this situation and for this example, I'm going to choose the product review gallery. Once the gallery options open up, remember to make your settings first. If you want a list view, a grid view, the total number of reviews per page. And once you're satisfied with all the settings you have made, copy the code, the short code given here. This is the code you have to copy. You can click the copy icon. And if you want a textual kind of a guide, you can click the how to set up button to be taken to our knowledge base. Once you've copied the code, go to your Shopify store. Go to online store section, go to pages, add a page. Let's say I want to call my page products reviews, products reviews. And you could be doing site reviews as well. Once you've given it a title, click the show HTML option. In the show HTML option, paste the code that you have copied. Remember to remove any blank spaces that may have come along with the code. And click save. And that's all there is to setting up a page. You can click on view on your online store to see a sample of what the product reviews page, the gallery page will look like once it has been completely set up. So this is what my gallery page looks like. And there's 8 per page as I selected, and you can move next, fast, next, last, first, and previous. In addition to that, if you want to add this page to your navigation system, just go back to Shopify, go to navigation under online store, choose the navigation menu you want to add it to. Let's say I want to add it to the main menu. In the main menu, click on add menu item, choose, give it a name. So let's say product review review gallery, and then search for a link. So this is under pages, and the one that we set up was products reviews. Click add, click save, and then now when you go to your website, you will have, if you refresh it once, you have the product review gallery, and here is the gallery that I created of the product reviews. That's all there is to create a product review gallery. This feature is really important, and it's made really easy by AiTrillion. You can create a product review gallery. You can also create a site review gallery. It really helps in increasing trust with your clients and tell your clients about some of your best products. Thank you for watching this video. If you do need further help with product reviews, please email support@aitrillion.com. Alternatively, click on the schedule a call button in the top right-hand corner of the AiTrillion app. It's right over here. You can also go to the dashboard of the AiTrillion app and book a call or schedule a call with your particular manager. If you need any further help, you can also go to AiTrillion.com and live chat with us or check out our resources section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.